I will show you how to login back to Instagram account if it has been compromised. Now if you're locked out and you can't reset the password when prompted, you're not alone. I'll guide you step by step so that you can fix the problem. And if you find value to this video, like, share and subscribe. With that being said, let's dive in. So now to begin, locate your Instagram application, then tap and hold on that app, then select App Info. Now here under App Info, you select Storage and Cache. Now guys, make sure to clear both storage and cache. After doing that, the next step, go ahead and open your browser that you normally use. So I'm going to open my Chrome browser. Now here in the search bar, just type in instagram.com. Then you click on enter. Now here on the sign in page, just click on those three dots at the top right corner. Then enable desktop site. Now zoom in. Now here on the sign in page, just click on forgot password here at the bottom. Now here on trouble login page, enter the email address linked with the Instagram account. Then click on send login link. So now a link has been sent to email address. So now the next step is to open a Gmail application and locate that email address. Now open that email address. Now select the second one that says reset your password. So click on that. So now you can go ahead and change your Instagram password. So now after changing your password, you can now go ahead and open your Instagram application. Now this time, sign in with your new login details, that is the new password. Then you click on login. And by doing that, you'll have now fixed the problem. So if you find value, like, share and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next one.